Hi everybody, Dave Aquino at Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Friday, the 13th of February. We staged a very interesting pattern this morning. So we opened right above yesterday's low, and the market bounced a little bit into the open and then quickly reversed, breaking the low and continuing to fall to the downside. So here's the bar. We went all the way down to 6,800 and we staged this reversal. This hourly bar is a bullish hammer pattern, okay? It was still red, but it was bullish because the next bar was a higher high and a higher high after that. Now we're encountering some resistance around 68.72. So this is a 73 point reversal. You can see what that now looks like. It looks like a potential inverted head and shoulders. This is the left shoulder. This is the inverted head. We've come right back up to the neckline. You could get a little pullback into this 68.50 area. As the right shoulder, it would be a bullish divergence, and we would look for a continuation move higher, probably up to 6,900. Okay? Now, that is likely. We have to see what happens this afternoon. If we close basically in the same place we are now, right around 68.64 or 68.50, this is a bullish hammer on the daily. And that would portend, if it breaks above the high, a continuation move higher. So this low was in the vicinity of the low from January 20th, here February 5th. So right around that same price level is where we bounced. So what happens in the next several hours is important. Remember, the markets are closed on President's Day, but I think if we stage a nice close near the high, I think this is setting up for a reversal, at least early part of next week. Okay? Thanks a lot.